So hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram. Today we are going to solve a very interesting problem which was asked in Google SD role for Google SD role. Okay, this problem was asked in Google SD interview. So guys, we should be able to solve this problem because we are Kumar ke students. Okay, whenever you want to become successful in your life, you should know that you should always start each and everything with the name of God. Okay, with the name of God, Ram Ram. Now guys, the thing is that the question is asking that we are given an array. Okay, array can be as large as 10 raised to 5. We have to find the number of mountain subarrays in the array. That's it. So if I am given 1 2 4 2 1, what is a mountain subarray? Guys, this is our array. 1 4 no 1, it was what? 1 2 4 2 1 1 1 2 4 2 1. Guys, tell me which is the subarray in this array which is in a mountain shape. Quickly start writing in the chat, guys. Don't waste time. How many subarrays are there in this array which are in mountain shape? How many are there? There are two. This is one mountain subarray, and this is also a mountain subarray. Mountain means what? Initially the array is strictly increasing, then it is becomes strictly decreasing. Okay. Mountain array definition should be clear to most of you people. Okay, so these are the two mountain subarrays, and the out and the length of the mountain subarray will always be greater than equal to 3. It was explicitly mentioned in the Google interview. So 1242 and 12421. That's it. That's it, guys. That's it. So output will be what? 2, because there are two mountain subarrays. 242 is also a mountain subarray, and 12421 is also a mountain subarray, guys. 242, guys, there are only two. Acha, wait. Guys, there are many more, guys. You missed it. 1242 is also mountain. 242 is also a mountain. 2421 is also a mountain. How many mountains are there, guys? Can you feel it now? 242 is a mountain. 2421 is a mountain. 1242 is 1242 is a mountain. And 12421 is a mountain. Total 4 mountains are there. Mountain. So, guys, what is the meaning of mountain? I think I will have to explain that also. This is 1. This is 2. This is 4. This is 2. This is 1. We have to find all the subarrays which are having this shape. Got it? Triangle shape. So obviously 242 is having a triangle shape. So 242 is a valid subarray. Similarly, 1242 is also having triangle shape. So this is also valid. Similarly, 2421 is also in triangle shape. So this is also valid. Similarly, this full thing 12421 is also triangle shape. So this is also valid. There are total 4 mountain subarrays in this array. Guys, is the understanding of the problem clear to everyone? Everyone start writing yes in the chat, only then I can go ahead. Is the understanding of the problem clear to most of the people, guys? Be quick, start writing yes. So guys, how can a person find the number of mountain subarrays in an array? Obviously it is very difficult. What can we do? We can use some tricks here, guys. We can use some tricks. Okay, mountain is like this. So guys, you can divide the mountain, right? The left part and the right part. Okay, the left part and the right part. Okay, now you might be thinking why sir is saying left part and right part, because obviously you can maintain some data on the left hand side and some data on the right hand side. If you have the correct data on the left hand side and the correct data on the right hand side, you can easily solve this problem, guys. You can easily solve this problem. Left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand. Yes, Yashaswa, you are correct. So guys, this one, the trick is, what is the trick to solve this problem? You don't have to do anything. Okay, forget about the question. Let's discuss a new question. New question, guys, new question. New question. What is that new question? What is the new question? The new question is the new question is, guys, you have to give me the answer to this new question, okay? What is the new question? The new question is calculate the longest increasing subarray. Longest increasing subarray in an array. Guys, how can you calculate the longest increasing subarray in an array? I will create a prefix array, prefix of I. Prefix of I should tell me the longest increasing subarray which ends at index I. Which ends at index I. So guys, you all of you have to tell me the solution for this, okay? All of you have to tell me the solution for this. This is my array. 1, 2, 4, 2, 1. I am creating a new array prefix of I. Prefix of I should tell me the longest increasing subarray which is ending at index I. Okay. This is prefix of I. And say this is my array B. Guys, what is the longest increasing subarray which is ending at index 1? Which one is that? It is this one only. So answer will be 1. Guys, what is the size of the longest increasing subarray which is ending at this index? Obviously it is 1 comma 2 1 comma 2. This is a subarray 1 comma 2 which is ending at index 2 and it is the longest increasing subarray. So the size will be 2. Guys, what will be the answer here? What will be the answer here? What is prefix? This is prefix of 1, prefix of 2, prefix of 3. Tell me which is the longest increasing subarray which is ending at index 3. Longest increasing subarray ending at index 3. I have changed the question. Now the question is कि बस increasing वाला बता दो आप. So longest increasing one which is ending at this index is nothing but 3. 1 to 4 is continuously increasing. That's why. Guys, which is the longest increasing subarray which is ending at index 2? You cannot join any of the previous value because 2 is less than 4. So only this value, one value you can consider in the longest increasing subarray ending at this index. So answer will be 1. Here it was 3, huh? 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay. Similarly, what will be the answer for this? The answer for this will also be 1. Guys, now I will be giving you another example. You guys have to tell me the answer, okay? 1, 2, 5, 2, 5, 1. Guys, fill the prefix array for me. Prefix array should tell me the longest increasing subarray ending at that index. What is someone make the prefix array for me and send in the chat. For this it will be 1. For this will be 1 comma 2 is strictly increasing, so 2. 1 to 5 strictly increasing, so of size 3. Here no, none of these guys can be joined with this one. So only a single guy is there strictly increasing, which is 1. For this 2 and 5 strictly increasing, so 2. For this no, these guys cannot be joined because 1 is smaller than 5. 1. So 1 2 3 1 2 1. 1 2 3 1 2 1 will be prefix of prefix array. For prefix array which tells us the longest increasing subarray which is ending at index I, which is ending at index I. Guys, quickly start writing in the chat if they understood what I'm trying to say. Guys, don't waste time. Quickly start writing. Quick, guys. Quick. Nice. I like it. Love you, Adarsh. Love you. So this much you all of you guys understood. You guys enjoyed. Great. Nice. So now you are able to easily find out the longest increasing subarray. What will be the final answer for the longest increasing subarray? It will be the maximum of all these value, na? Final answer Final answer. If you want to find the longest increasing sub array in the whole array, what will be the answer? ये जितनी भी वैल्यूज आई थी आपकी 1 2 3 1 2 1 3 3 इज द करेक्ट आंसर. व्हाई? बिकॉज 3 इज द size of the longest sub array which is increasing. This is such a simple algorithm. Anyone can do this. So final answer will be what? Max of f of 1 comma pref of 2 till pref of n. Great, nice, loved it. Guys, every one of you is able to calculate the longest increasing subarray in an array. Everyone start writing yes in the chat. Does anyone has any doubt in this simple concept? Anyone has any doubt? No doubt? Okay. Guys, I am now writing, let's write the pseudo code, okay? Not the actual C++ Java Python code. They will be uploaded soon. You don't need to worry. But guys, what will be the pseudo code for this? Can anyone tell me? N is the size of the array. B of n plus 1 is our array B. I'm using one based indexing, okay? Now guys, I have to fill the array pref of, I have taken the input, assume that, okay? Pref of n plus 1, I have to fill it. Okay, let me take the, I'm reading the integer n, which is the size of the array. Then I will run a for loop. I'm running the loop from 1 to n. I'm reading all the array elements. Congratulations, great, nice. Guys, can anyone tell me what will be the algorithm to calculate prefix of n plus 1? What will be the algorithm? How for each index, how will I calculate? For each index, how will I calculate pref of I? It's common sense, guys. That's common sense. Common sense, guys. It's common sense. It's common sense. Someone write it nicely. Someone write it nicely. देखो, suppose you want to calculate prefix of 3. Okay. So if your current value is greater than the previous value, then whatever was the prefix of I minus 1, you will add one more not to its length, because now it is getting added to the sequence. So if b of I minus 1 is strictly less than b of I, then it is guaranteed that prefix of I is 1 plus, or you can say pref of I minus 1 plus 1. Whatever was the answer till the previous one, we add 1 to it, because now we are adding one more guy to the increasing sequence. But if this case is not true, if either both the elements are equal, अगर दोनों एलिमेंट इक्वल हो जाते हैं या फिर पीछे वाला एलिमेंट बड़ा है अपन छोटे हैं, तो फिर इंक्रीजिंग का कोई बात ही नहीं बनती है, पूरा कट हो जाएगा. नाउ ओनली वन एलिमेंट इज देयर, so that single element is the increasing guy. So pref of 5 is 1. Finally, when you take the maximum of all pref of I, you will get the answer. Guys, is this clear that prefix of pref of I is telling us the longest increasing subarray? Pref of I is telling us longest increasing subarray, strictly increasing subarray. Longest strictly increasing subarray which ends at index I. Which ends at index I. Okay, guys. So, guys, this much algorithm clear to everyone. Start writing yes in the chat, guys. Don't wait. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. Everything clear, then start writing yes. If is there anyone जिसको समझ नहीं आया? It's very basic. Very basic. Guys, same question I want to ask you this time. You will answer me. Next question. Calculate the longest decreasing subarray in an array. Calculate the longest decreasing subarray in an array. Calculate the longest decreasing. Calculate the longest decreasing subarray in an array. Now I will use the suffix array. Suff of I should tell you the longest decreasing subarray, longest decreasing subarray, which starts at index I, which starts at index I. And the final answer will be max of all of them. Sum of 1, sum of 2, till sum of n. Guys, isn't it common sense? Can any every student write yes in the chat if they are able to calculate the longest decreasing array on their own without my interruption? Every dedicated student. Yes हर्षी, वो भी चलेगा, सब कुछ चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. इफ प्री ऑफ आई इज लेस देन प्री, नहीं नहीं, वो प्रेफ नहीं लिख सकते. कर सकते हैं, बट मैंने एकदम सिंपल एल्गोरिदम से लिखा है, ठीक है. currently I'm not having the bandwidth to check your algorithm, but I think that should also be correct. Okay, बट तुमने प्री यहाँ पर लिखा है, यहाँ पर प्रेफ लिख दिया है. नहीं नहीं, सही करना है तुमको. एनीवेज गाइस, सफिक्स का एल्गोरिदम बताओ, मैं कैसे लिखूं, मुझे नहीं आता. आई डोंट नो कोडिंग. आई एम कुमार का, आई डोंट नो कोडिंग. प्लीज टेल मी गाइस हाउ टू राइट द सफिक्स एल्गोरिदम. Suffix means you have to tell the longest decreasing subarray. So if this is your array 1 5 4 3 2, this is your suffix array. You will start filling it from backwards. The backwards law. The more you try to get something, the farther away it goes away from you. Got it, guys? The more students you try to get 10 plus LPA, the less they will bring. So always have less expectations, but work fully hard. So now, guys, how many? What is the length of the largest subarray, which is starting at this index and it is decreasing? 1. What is the length of the largest subarray which is starting at this index 3 and decreasing? 3 comma 2. So 2 is the length here. 4 3 2. 3 is the length here. 5 4 3 2. 4 is the length here. No 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 no. It is increasing, not decreasing. So only this, guys. There's what it is. 1 is the decreasing length of the array. Guys, is the decreasing concept clear to everyone? Everyone start writing us in the chat. Don't waste time. Quick quick quick. Good good good. Nice. Love you love you love you all. So guys, let's start the finding of suffix n now plus 1. Few years back I went to Kashmir. I really enjoyed it. I still remember it. Anyways, it has no relation to the problem. For I, guys, this time I will start at n and I'm going from backwards. Okay, backwards. I equal to n, I greater than equal to 1, I minus minus. So guys, if your current guy is bigger than the guy at the back position, b of I plus 1, अरे दिख रहा है ना, अगर this is I, if b of I is greater than b of I plus 1, if 3 is greater than 2, तभी तो ऐड कर पाओगे in the length, right? So if b of I is greater than b of I plus 1, what will happen, guys? Suf of I will become suf of I plus 1 plus 1. Whatever was the increasing length there, till there you add one more 1. If this is not the case, matlab if your current guy is like less than or equal to like this, b of I is less than 5, तो increase decreasing का system ही नहीं बनता, right? तो फिर तो आप suf of I equal to 1 ही लिख दो. Only the current value element is valid. If you take max of all the suf of I, you will get the longest decreasing subarray. I'm just chilling out, Ashutosh, just chilling out in my life. Guys, did I write anything wrong क्या? क्या गलत लिखा? अच्छा, इसको n-1 से चालू करते हैं ना सेफ्टी के लिए. और let me write here suf of the last n is will be 1 only na, I don't need to compare it with anyone. Guys, what is wrong here? If b of I is greater than b of I plus 1, only then I will do this na. सफ ऑफ आई इक्वल टू सफ ऑफ आई प्लस वन, पीछे से भर रहा हूँ। गाइस मैं सही हूं ना? लोग मुझे कंफ्यूज कर रहे हैं गाइस, प्लीज गाइस। गाइस एम आई करेक्ट और नॉट? नो यू कैनॉट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम जीरो इंडेक्स। जीरो इंडेक्स से नहीं आ सकते हो, फीलिंग्स नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम यही है ना। तुम लोग को सिर्फ लड़कियों के लिए फीलिंग है, तुम लोग को क्वेश्चन के लिए तो फीलिंग है ही नहीं। फीलिंग लाइए, फीलिंग लाइए। डिक्रीजिंग सब एरे कैसा दिखता है, कभी देखा है? ऐसा दिखता है ना? ऐसा दिखता है कि नहीं दिखता है? तो जब कोई चीज ऐसी है, वो नीचे से ऊपर जा रही है, कहाँ से जा रही है? राइट से लेफ्ट में वो बढ़ रहा है ना। तो राइट से लेफ्ट में एल्गोरिदम लाओगे तभी तो अपडेट कर पाओगे इस चीज को। अगर तुम यहाँ पर हो तो तुमको एक झटके में कैसे पता चलेगा कि यहाँ से कितना नीचे जा सकता है? पर अगर यहाँ से ट्रेवल कर रहे हो तो धीरे धीरे आंसर बिल्डअप कर सकते हो ना। दिख नहीं रहा डायरेक्शन कहाँ जा रही है? डिक्रीजिंग ऐसा दिख रहा है, इधर से इधर, मतलब ऐसा जाना पड़ेगा। और इंक्रीजिंग ऐसा दिख रहा था, मतलब ऐसा जाना पड़ेगा। फीलिंग्स लाओ, फीलिंग्स। क्लियर गाइस, क्लियर? और यू नीड more feelings guys? Understood why in the increasing we are going from left to right and right to left? Yes guys, is my algorithm correct? Everyone start writing yes in the chat guys. Anuj clear? Anuj write yes in the chat. Anuj ओके गाइस, इतना सब हमने समझ लिया। अब आप लोग का आँख खुलने वाली है, बहुत ही जल्दी आपकी आँख खुलने वाली है। कोई बोल रहा था भैया क्वेश्चन क्या है, आप ये क्यों करा रहे हो? भैया मजाक में थोड़ी ना करा रहे, जरूर कुछ मतलब होगा, अभी पता चलेगा तुमको, ठीक है? सो गाइस, now you have prefix of I and suffix of I. Suppose you are at index I. Okay, clear? And your array is like this. ये आपका array है गाइस। कोई मुझे बता सकता है at this index what will be the value of pref of I? pref of I की वैल्यू क्या होगी और suff of I की वैल्यू क्या होगी, बताओ? What is the largest increasing array ending at index I? जल्दी लिखो, टाइम पास क्लियरली लिख के बताओ, क्लियरली लिख के बताओ। pref of I equal to this, suff of I equal to this. Kalash, when I read that name I remember something. Correct, Anuj. Love you guys. Love you. Prefix of I is 3 because 2, 3, 5. And suffix of I is 5. Guys. Can you now see? You have find the largest mountain. Largest mountain whose peak is index I. Guys, can you see that using this algorithm, you are able to find the largest mountain whose peak is index I. Guys, दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा है कि लार्जेस्ट माउंटेन ढूंढ लिया? ये अभी नया क्वेश्चन, ऐसे ही तो लोग क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गाइस, व्हाट विल बी द आंसर टू दिस? फाइंड द लार्जेस्ट माउंटेन in the array. How will you find the largest mountain in the array? Final answer will be max of, at each index you will consider this index as the peak. हर इंडेक्स को आप पीक समझो, ईच इंडेक्स यू कंसीडर दैट इंडेक्स एज द पीक. सो आंसर विल बी व्हाट फॉर ईच इंडेक्स आई? सफ ऑफ आई, ref of I plus suf of I minus 1. Like this you have to do for each index and you get the answer. For example, यहाँ पर आंसर क्या होगा? माउंटेन का साइज क्या है? यहाँ लेफ्ट से 3, राइट से 5, तो 3 और 5 कितना होता है? 8. बट गाइज मैं 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट क्यों कर रहा हूँ इसके अंदर से? दिस इज 3 लेंथ, this is 5 length. You can instantly know by calculating prefix of I and suffix of I in advance. So 3 plus 5 8 होता है, बट 8 नहीं आंसर, क्योंकि 5 दो बार इंक्लूड हो गया ना, इसमें भी इंक्लूड हो गया, इसमें भी इंक्लूड हो गया, एक बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा ना. Who gave that answer correctly? Sameer and Altamas, Aditya, Harshi, यशस्व. Guys, so आपको समझ गया कि everyone react with emojis, everyone write yes if they now understand this also, how to find the largest mountain in the array. Guys, quickly start writing in the chat. Guys, can you see how close we have reached to the original questions now? Can you see? Can you feel it? वी फाउंड द लार्जेस्ट माउंटेन इन द एरे. क्वेश्चन क्या था? फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ माउंटेन सब एरे इन द एरे. फाइंड द लार्जेस्ट माउंटेन सब एरे in the array you have done. So guys, now your stuff is really simple. Now see what is the trick to finally solve this problem. The trick is very simple, guys. In this case only, can you guys calculate how many mountains are there? Calculate the number of mountains which start at index. Calculate the number of mountains whose topmost point is index I. This is also very easy. But yes, you have to make sure that your mountain subarrays are of length greater than equal to 3. So guys, common sense answer is nothing but what? लेफ्ट से 3 है, राइट से 5 है, तो कितना पॉसिबिलिटी होगा? 3 into 5. हा हा हा. मैं आपको ये प्रूव करके दिखाता हूँ, ठीक है? 5 3 2. यहाँ से 3 साइज का पॉसिबिलिटी है, 4 3 2 1. यहाँ से 4 साइज का पॉसिबिलिटी है. यस और नो गाइस? यस और नो? राइट? करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट. गुड 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 गुड. सो एक तो आप क्या कर सकते हो कि यहाँ पर कितने एलिमेंट्स आपके पास पड़े हुए हैं? यहाँ पर आपके पास 4 एलिमेंट पड़े हुए हैं, यहाँ पर आपके पास 2 एलिमेंट पड़े हुए हैं. एक तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, ये वाले 4 का रिलेशन ये वाले 3 से बना लो, तो ये 3 5 4 भी माउंटेन हो गया. यू मेक द रिलेशन ऑफ दिस 4 विद दिस 3, then you make the relation of this 3 with this 3, then you make the relation of this 2 with this 3, then you make the relation of this 1 with this 3. How many combinations you used 4. पर जब ये इसके साथ तो बना लिया, अब इसके साथ कौन बनाएगा? तो यहाँ पर 2 कॉम्बिनेशन अवेलेबल है, यहाँ पर 4 कॉम्बिनेशन अवेलेबल है, तो 2 into 4 कितना होता है? 8. सो गाइस, फॉर ईच इंडेक्स आई, the number of mountains for each index I is nothing but what? Ref of I -1, क्योंकि अपन को लेंथ ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 3 चाहिए, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय सफ ऑफ आई, या फिर तुम कह सकते हो सफ ऑफ आई -1. Can you feel that brainstorming movement, guys? Eureka, eureka. Archimedes said eureka when he was taking shower in his bathroom in the bathtub, when he realized that water density principle. वो बाथटब के अंदर गया और देखा कि वो डूब गया, तो इससे उसको पता चला कि उसकी डेंसिटी वाटर से ज़्यादा है, और वो खुश होने लग गया. Anyways, so guys, the trick is very easy. Prefix of I minus नहीं, prefix of I -1 into suffix of I -1. Clear guys? So guys, now नहीं guys, please, आपको माउंटेन के हिस्से बनाने हैं ना क्या? आपको you know guys, why are you facing this problem? Because in 8th standard to 10th standard and your 11th 12th standard guy teacher did not teach you maths properly. They didn't teach you maths properly, so you don't know some things. Okay, for example, let's say you are at stop A, stop B, stop K. You want to reach from A to B. There is path 1 here, path 2 here, and there are 4 paths here or 5 paths here. 1 2 3 4 5. Anuj and Akhil, tell me how many ways are there to reach from A to K? Be quick. How many ways are there to reach from A to K? Akhil and Anuj. अभी कैसे आपको पता चला 2 into 5 है? अभी कैसे पता चला कि 2 into 5 है? हाँ, पहले वो तो मल्टीप्लाई नहीं समझ रहा था. ये बराबर दिख रहा है ना? हाँ, ये बराबर दिख रहा है ना कि ये 2 तरीके हैं. तो ये 1 से 5 जा सकता है और ये दूसरे से 5 सकता है. 5 into 2 10. तो जब मैं यहाँ पर सेम चीज बोल रहा था तब नहीं समझे? ये जो माउंटेन है, माउंटेन किससे बन सकता है? लेफ्ट साइड का माउंटेन का पार्ट ये 2 3 है, राइट साइड का पार्ट 4 3 2 1 है. तो जितने इनके सारे कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं बना सकते. एक बार तुम ले सकते हो 3 5 4 को, तो 3 का 4 के साथ कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं बन गया. देन यू विल टेक 3 5 4 3. सो 3 का ये 3 के साथ कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं बन गया एंड पॉइंट का. देन यू कैन टेक 3 5 4 3 2, दिस 3 का ये 2 से कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं बन गया, देन यू कैन टेक 3 5 4 3 2 1, दिस 3 का ये 1 के साथ कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं बन गया, कितने कॉम्बिनेशन बन गए यहाँ पर, 4 एलिमेंट है ना राइट में, चार, चार बन गए, बट यहाँ पर दो है तो 4 into 2 टोटल 8 कॉम्बिनेशन आर देयर, hence there are 8 mountains whose peak is 5, this current index I, can you all feel it now? अखिल एंड एवरीवन स्टार्ट राइटिंग इन द चैट। चलो एक बार विजुअलाइजेशन भी कर लेते कोई कोई बच्चों के लिए। It's very easy, but yeah, we should do the visualizations, right? So that everyone enjoys. This was a Google SD interview problem. You guys can easily solve, nothing difficult. Because guys, you're Kumar ke student, your level should be above Google, okay? Not below Google. So guys, 5 4 3 2 1 2 1. So guys, you know that the length of this part is nothing but what? It is suffix of I minus 1, right? This is your index I. For this index I am trying to calculate how many mountain arrays are there. तो या तो आपका माउंटेन 4 पे एंड होगा, या तो 3 पे एंड होगा, या तो 2 पे एंड होगा, या तो 1 पे एंड होगा। राइट में, लेफ्ट में या तो 2 पे एंड होगा या तो 1 पे एंड होगा। तो लेफ्ट में कितने ऑप्शन है? 2 ऑप्शन है। राइट में कितने ऑप्शन है? 4 ऑप्शन है। तो टोटल सारे कॉम्बिनेशन कर लो 8। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग द suffix of I minus 1 into prefix of I minus 1 tells you the number of mountains whose topmost index is I. Now what will we do guys? The original question is nothing but you calculate the same thing for each index I and add it to the sum. तो सारे माउंटेन सब एरे कैलकुलेट हो जाएंगे। ये वाले में मैं क्या कर रहा था, सिर्फ एक इंडेक्स आई का निकाल रहा था। ऐसे ही आप सब आई के लिए फॉर्मूला लगा लो, फॉर लूप लगा के आपके सारे इंडेक्स आई के माउंटेन कैलकुलेट हो जाएंगे। हो गया काम खत्म, सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम। 60 lakhs in your pocket guys, enjoy. Everyone start writing in the chat guys. 5 4 3 अपन को कंस्टेंट ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 3 दिया है, ठीक है ना, इसलिए उस हिसाब से सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। 5 4 3 इज नॉट एन माउंटेन एरे। यस इट इज नॉट एन माउंटेन एरे यार। कहाँ कहाँ से आपको माउंटेन एरे दिख रहा है? आधा माउंटेन को कंसीडर नहीं करना है। माउंटेन में इट इज नेसेसरी कि बीच में टॉप मोस्ट एलिमेंट हो और इधर ये हो। सिर्फ 5 4 3 इज द राइट साइड ऑफ द माउंटेन, नॉट द होल माउंटेन। फॉर अ गाय टू बी अ माउंटेन इट इज नीडेड कि लेफ्ट में भी एक एलिमेंट हो एटलीस्ट और राइट में भी एक एलिमेंट हो एटलीस्ट। suffix of I should be greater than equal to 2 and prefix of I should also be greater than equal to 2. बट आपको वो कंडीशन लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर वो 1 हुआ ना, जैसे 5 4 3 वो बोल रही थी ना, तो दिक्कत ही नहीं होगी। अगर समझो एरे ये था। गाइस कैन यू टेल मी फॉर 5 4 3 फॉर दिस इंडेक्स I व्हाट विल बी सफिक्स ऑफ I? सफिक्स ऑफ I क्या होगा? 3 होगा। व्हाट विल बी प्रीफिक्स ऑफ I? prefix of I will be 1. The longest increasing sub array ending at index I there is only 1. पर फॉर्मूला में मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? -1 कर दे रहा हूँ ना, तो ये अपने आप 0 हो जाएगा। कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है इधर लेफ्ट में। तो भले कितने भी कॉम्बिनेशन हो, 0 से मल्टीप्लाई आपको 0 ही आएगा। देयर इज नो माउंटेन सब एरे विच इज हैविंग द टॉप मोस्ट इंडेक्स एज आई। क्लियर हर्षी? क्लियर एवरीवन? आदित्य, इफ दैट वाज नॉट द कंस्ट्रेंट तुम आराम से -1 निकाल सकते थे, फिर तुम सफाई इंटू प्रेफाई लिखते तो तुम्हारा काम बन जाता। ठीक है, ऑल दो उसके अंदर एक दो काउंटिंग एक्स्ट्रा हो सकती है, तो आप -1 कर सकते हो सकता था कि बीच वाला एलिमेंट मल्टीपल टाइम्स काउंट हो जाता, बट इट्स कंप्लीटली फाइन। आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनी इशू। इफ दैट greater than equal to 3 condition was not there, you could directly write suffi into prefy. Guys, everyone start writing yes and everyone start reacting with emojis if this much is clear. yes कलाश, ये भी बात सही है। अगर 3 से ज्यादा है तो वो माउंटेन बनता ही नहीं है। Guys, everyone start writing yes in the chat if everyone understood everything. Be quick. Don't waste any kind of time, guys. Don't waste any kind of time. Guys, the thing is that we have calculated what? I have calculated for each index I how many mountains will be there such that this index I is the topmost index. Now, why is this algorithm working? Because each index can become peak in different sub arrays. ऐसा कोई सब array नहीं हो सकता अगर ये एक माउंटेन एरे है, हमारा डबल काउंटिंग कभी भी नहीं होगा, ये बात याद रखना. देर विल नेवर बी अ डबल काउंटिंग. Why am I explaining this intuition? For that, Kumar K is famous. Other people never do that. अगर आपका ये एक माउंटेन सब एरे है तो ये गारंटीड है कि डबल काउंटिंग नहीं हो सकती है. कोई और दूसरा एरे हो ही नहीं सकता जिसका ये माउंटेन था, क्योंकि रूल्स एकदम स्ट्रिक्ट है. ये टॉप पे होना चाहिए, बाकी सब उसके नीचे ही होने चाहिए, स्ट्रिक्टली लेस होने चाहिए. तो माउंटेन कभी फिर से रिपीट नहीं हो सकता. दूसरे आई का माउंटेन ऐसा कुछ होगा अलग, किधर और होगा. क्लियर गाइस? एवरीवन स्टार्ट राइटिंग यस इन द चैट. Everyone start reacting with the emojis. Guys, start writing yes. Quick, guys, quick, guys. So now, how do we? Now what to do, guys? Please tell me, guys. Now tell me, tell Kumar ke what to do. Kumar ke doesn't know coding. Doesn't know coding. Please help. Please help Kumar ke guys. What code to write? I have to calculate for each index I how many mountains are there at the index I, considering index I as the topmost index. Guys, k will be our answer. K equal to 0. So k equal to k plus sum of I ref of I minus 1 into sum of I minus 1. F of I minus 1 into sum of I minus 1. You keep on doing this. You print the k, your job is done. This is the pseudo code, not the actual C++ Java Python code. You guys can easily implement. But guys, the actual C++ Java Python code will be uploaded soon. Okay, don't worry. It wasn't uploaded from some days, but now it will be uploaded very, very soon. Guys, I want each one of you to start writing the time and space complexity. Please be quick. Start writing the time complexity, space complexity, whatever you're feeling, just start writing it. Your time complexity, space complexity, all the things which you like, start writing it in the chat. Quick, quick, guys. Quick, quick, quick. We are using two extra arrays. So O of 2n space and O of 3n is our time complexity. You can ignore the constants and you can say O of n time and O of n space. Guys, yes, Ashutosh, yes. Guys, time space, yes, Venkatesh, it is correct. But in the interview, you should say that these are the total number of operations, okay, and the total space. But the space complexity, we ignore the constants, sir. So, ignoring the 3n and 2n, I can say that the space complexity is O of n and 2n. Okay. So, the pseudo code, guys, this is the pseudo code. Huh? Actual will be uploaded very soon in this document. Don't worry. From 2 3 days, I got slow. I know that. Don't worry. Guys, the algorithm, if you want to check the code, you guys can open this document. Okay, how to write it in the interview, I will teach you. Thank you, Kiran. Love you, love you, love you. Aditya Raj was coming in my dreams yesterday. I did not understand that how he come in the session. Then I realized that Aditya Raj is my student. Sometimes I get very confused because I have so many students with the same name. Okay. Anyways, guys, देखो, in the interview write that hello sir, my time complexity, the total number of operations sirs are O of 3 into n, O of 3 into n, but this is equivalent to O of n because the time complexity is nothing. The definition of time complexity is in the proportional basis, so we ignore the constant. And space complexity, I'm using prefix array and suffix array, so it's O of 2 into n. It is O of 2 into n. It is O of 2 into n, and you can ignore the constant and you can say that the space complexity is O of n. Okay. Now, in Google, they can ask you, "Cat, okay, very good, nice. You are using a prefix array and a suffix array. That's nice, that's great. But, can you do it only with the suffix array and without the prefix array?" This was the follow up problem of the Google interview. Answer is yes. आंसर इज यस। आप ये सफिक्स एरे निकाल लो। फिर जब आप यहाँ पर स्टार्ट से कैलकुलेट मार रहे हो ना, स्टार्ट से कैलकुलेट मार रहे हो ना, इसी फॉर लूप के अंदर प्रीफिक्स कैलकुलेट मार लो। और ये प्रीफिक्स ऑफ आई की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है, ठीक है ना। बस प्रीवियस वेरिएबल का जो प्रीफिक्स ऑफ आई माइनस वन है ना, इसको सी से रिप्लेस कर दो। if the b of I minus वन इक्वल टू ग्रेट लेस देन b of I, c इक्वल टू c प्लस वन, और एल c इक्वल टू वन, समझे, काम खत्म। तो प्रीफिक्स आई निकालने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। और ये एक ही लूप में, ये एक लूप में सफ निकाल दोगे। जब यहाँ पर आओगे तो सी कर करके आपके पास हमेशा सी की वैल्यू होगी, k इक्वल टू k प्लस सी माइनस वन इंटू सफ ऑफ आई माइनस वन एंड डॉट डन। These are the optimizations which the Google interviewer required if they are asking you in depth. But for any online assessment, you do this much, this is more than enough. Guys, can you all feel it and understand? Start writing yes in the chat. Start writing, reacting with emojis. Thank you, Akhil. Thank you, Anjana. Great, great, great. Nice. Thank you, Akhil. Thank you. Okay, guys, for now, I am stopping the recording. Okay.